Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Depop to sell items. Depop is a social marketplace where you can buy and sell a wide variety of items, from clothing and accessories to electronics and collectibles. To get started, you will need to download the Depop app and create an account. First, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your email address, Facebook account, or Google account. Once you have signed up, you will need to verify your account by clicking on the link sent to your email address. After verifying your account, you can start setting up your profile. Add a profile picture and a bio that describes who you are and what you are selling. This will help potential buyers find and trust you. You can also connect your social media accounts to your Depop profile to reach a wider audience. To list an item for sale, tap on the Sell button at the bottom of the screen. Take clear and well-lit photos of the item from different angles. Write a detailed description of the item, including its condition, size, and any flaws it may have. Set a competitive price for the item based on similar items that have sold on Depop. You can also add keywords to your listing to help buyers find it when they search for similar items. Use relevant hashtags and keywords that describe the item, such as the brand, color, and size. Once you have listed your item, you can share it on your social media accounts to reach a wider audience. You can also engage with potential buyers by responding to comments and messages. To process a sale, you will need to agree on a price with the buyer and arrange for shipping. Depop offers a range of shipping options, including tracked and untracked shipping. You can also use Depop's payment system to receive payment from the buyer. To increase your chances of selling an item, make sure to list it in the right category. Use high-quality photos, and write a detailed description. You can also offer discounts and promotions to attract more buyers. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully sell items on Depop and build a loyal customer base. Remember to always follow Depop's guidelines and terms of service to ensure a smooth and safe transaction. With its easy-to-use interface and large community of buyers, Depop is a great platform to sell items and make some extra money.